A variable is a way of storing a value in computer memory. Think of it like a bucket. Now, this bucket could hold a number, or it could hold a character, a letter, or it could hold a symbol like the pound sign, or it could hold a whole word or a sentence, or even a picture, a song, a video, a word file, anything. The important thing about the variable is that what's inside that store can change. So what's inside the bucket, if you like, you could tip it out and put something else inside that bucket. In maths, when you do algebra, you can say x equals 2 times y plus 1. So x and y are unknown numbers, so they're like letters that can hold any number. The number that the x represents could change. Similarly, when you store a value inside a variable in computing, you tell the computer to hold a piece of memory, a space in memory, and give it a label, a name. You could call it answer. And then when you ask a question of the user, for example, in BYOB or Scratch, you can use the ask command, and a question will appear. Whatever the user types in as an answer to that question will be stored in a variable called answer. You can then use whatever is stored in answer. It could be a number, it could be a word, it could be anything. You can then use that to do different things. You can use it in an equation to add it to another number, or you could compare it to another word or another sentence to see if they're the same, or you could print it out using a say command. So variables are very useful because they're like buckets. They hold something that you hold it temporarily. You can then use that to work out things, or you could pass it back to the user on the monitor, on the printer, or even through a speakers, or you can then pass it to a different procedure so that procedure can do something with the contents of that variable.